Hello everyone! Today we are going to see how you can use honey lemon water for weight loss. Lemon juice has shown to increase the feeling of fullness, which leads to reduced calorie intake and aids in weight loss. In addition, lemon is rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. It helps protect the body from free radicals and inflammation that can cause weight gain. Free radicals are unstable atoms that can damage cells and DNA, and they can contribute to weight gain by promoting inflammation and oxidative stress. So basically, what we are trying to say is that lemon protects your body from these free radicals and helps you lose weight. Another way lemon helps with weight loss is by boosting your metabolism. The citric acid present in lemon can improve the function of the thyroid gland, which regulates your body's metabolic rate. This means that your body will be able to burn calories more efficiently, leading to weight loss. Now let's talk about honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that can be used instead of sugar. It has been shown that people who consume honey are less likely to overeat or snack mindlessly between meals as compared to those who consume sugar. This is because honey contains antioxidants and has a low glycemic index, which means that it does not cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels rise rapidly, the body produces insulin, which can lead to fat storage and weight gain. So basically, what we are trying to say is that since honey does not raise your blood sugar levels, it does not lead to fat storage and hence helps in weight loss. There are several ways to incorporate honey and lemon into your diet for weight loss. You can start your day with a glass of warm honey lemon water in the morning. This can help boost your metabolism and aid in digestion, which can lead to reduced appetite and calorie intake throughout the day. You can also use lemon juice or honey in your salad dressings or marinades. This can help you reduce the amount of sugar and calories in your dressings and marinades, leading to a lower calorie intake. And you can replace sugary snacks with a piece of fruit and a spoonful of honey. This can help satisfy your sweet tooth without the added calories and promote weight loss. So this was all about honey and lemon and how you can use them for weight loss. We hope this information is helpful and motivates you to incorporate these superfoods into your diet. Remember that while these foods can aid in weight loss, it is also important to follow a balanced diet and exercise regularly. Thank you, and take care.